Hey guys, welcome to a new video on NailPossible. I got a couple of things to share with you that I received from Born Pretty store, so let's check them out. First thing I have here is a stamping plate, my favorite product from them, so I'm always trying to grow my collection. Their packaging is always nice, doesn't really affect the product, but I enjoy pretty packaging. And pretty recently they've started to add seals on the sides. I already cut mine here. And you might have noticed that the seal said that it's a Halloween plate. It comes with a couple of full nail designs, but it's mostly smaller fun images. Another thing I've noticed that they started doing is they're separating their plates by collection now, so everything is more organized. And by first impression, I'm a little worried because it doesn't feel deeply etched. I can barely feel anything, but we're gonna test it in a second. And the other products I got were these stamping polishes, which I'm excited to try out because I mostly use regular polish for stamping. So I want to see if it really makes a difference. And just like the magnetic polish I tried a while ago, these come in the same kind of bottle, the tiny bottle. So these are also 6 mils. And just to compare, this Sinful Colors that I always use for stamping is 15 mils. This is a picture polish with 11 mils. So these bottles look super tiny in comparison. But this one from Maybelline looks like it has a lot more product, but actually has only 1 extra mil. But if you have the bottles side by side, it looks like the Maybelline one holds a lot more product. These are only 2 of a whole bunch of stamping polishes they have now, and they have all kinds of colors and finishes. They are separated by collections and they have a ton to choose from. These 2 are metallic finishes, but this green one is kind of like a glittery metallic. The orange one is from the Earth Tone series and the shade name is Twilight. And the green one is from the Melody Life series and the shade name is Indulgence. Let's test Twilight first. And it came out super clear on the first try, very nice and crisp, so let's stamp it on top of black. And look at that. Let's test one of the smaller images. Not happy with this one. Let's try this again. It came out a little better, but look at that mummy. Let's stamp these on top of white. I kind of expected this one to be pretty good on top of white after what happened over black. I wanted to try the image one more time and this one came out almost perfect, but look at the other images, they look pretty good. And here we have both swatches. Now let's test Indulgence, the green one. And I'm not going to lie, it's not the color I was expecting. I thought it was gonna be more silvery, but it's super green. The image, just like the other shade, came out super crisp. So let's stamp this one on top of black. And it looks fantastic as well. You can see here that it has some silvery particles, so it looks a little bit different. Now let's test some of these faces. And this is a really horrible stamp. Let's try this again. And nope, not working for me. Let me switch stamps because I'm still getting used to this one. And there we go. Let's stamp this one over white. Now let's test this one over here. Also perfect. And these are the 2 swatches. Okay, so in conclusion, this plate, really great for Halloween. Once again, the quality of these plates is really good. No problems at all, even though I was worried for a second there. Except for the smaller images, I had a few issues with them, but like I said, I'm still getting used to this super squishy stamper. So once I switched to my regular, more firm stamper, everything worked perfectly. Now for me, the stars here were the 2 polishes. These metallic kind look gorgeous. They work really well and I am in love. They don't seem too different from regular polish. I don't think they need any special treatment, but my only complaint, if I have a complaint, is that a lot of the glitter on the green polish is like stuck to the bottle and you can't really see the true color of the polish, but that's it. I do recommend them a lot. I'm very impressed. And very quickly, if you want to test these or anything at all from Born Pretty store, their anniversary is coming up, so they're gonna have a sale in a few days. And if you make a purchase and you use the code I live in the description box, they will give you a gift. So make sure you check that out if you're interested. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!